This way Lusaka Road connects to Duokarage in Bungoma. I know most of you are familiar with Lusaka Road in Nairobi City, but in this video I'm showing you Lusaka Road in Bungoma Town. Don't forget that this is Lusaka Road in Bungoma Town. Former Senate Speaker and the current Governor of Bungoma County, Kennedy Lusaka, was the one who initiated this project during his first term as the Governor of Bungoma County. As most Kenyan leaders will do, they named this road as Lusaka Road. Anyway, this is one of the projects that he did in his first term as the Governor of Bungoma County. If we are new to this channel, this is Rook Urban. We review urban areas in different parts of the world. We look at their roads, markets, and other amenities. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss such reviews in other urban areas. Vehicles moving to Ebuya and Eldoret from Bungoma Town use this road to avoid congestion at Kanduyi junction. This road connects to Skata Market directly from Bungoma Town instead of going to Kanduyi. So apart from the dual carriage that was constructed by former Governor Wangamati, this project also reduces congestion at the Kanduyi junction as most of the vehicles divert from this point. Before tarmacking of this road, this place used to be dangerous. You could not use this road past 8 p.m. If you are residing from Bungoma Town, you are aware of minor friends. The place you could not pass after 8 p.m. This project has opened up this place. I passed here at night and I saw street lights. There are different businesses along this road. The place is now safe for even settlement and doing business. In our next video, we will review Duokarage in Bungoma Town, the project that was initiated by the former Governor Wycliffe Wangamati. If you don't want to miss that video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. You will be notified when we upload that video. Thank you for watching this review about Lusaka Road. See you in the next video.